Box AI can help you surface information quickly so you can get your job done faster. Let's use Box AI to understand next steps in the onboarding process for a new clinician. In a clinical operations hub, which houses everything employees might need from steady site management, good clinical practices, we might have questions for all of this information but don't know where to locate the documents or what they're called yet. So I can set up a new site, I can understand what forms I need to do so. We also have a section for data management. As an operations manager, I need to understand new clinical site onboarding, so I've selected Box AI and Claude 3.7 Sonnet. What are the steps for a clinical site onboarding process? This information is new to me. I can use one of the Box AI models that's specifically designed to optimize this process. Box analyzes the content in real time and provides the correct steps in the latest document, the most up-to-date information. Now, instead of having to read all the different documents that might be sourced in this resources hub, I have all the information at my fingertips.